got tire shine on the right hand side of the fender. We're going to use SC1 on the left hand side. And that's my little partner in crime right there. We got tire shine on the right hand side, and we got a bottle of SC1 on the other side, the left hand side. So we're going to put tire shine on the right hand side. I think it's foamed up a little bit. Let that soak in. And then on the other side, we're gonna put SC1. So we're pretty much just gonna spray it. Spray the black to tail too. Spray the top. I'm gonna let it sit in the sun and soak for a little bit, and then we'll come back and see the difference. After a while, you see the Armor All eventually soaks in. The SC1's pretty much soaked in as well. It doesn't take the SC1 as long to soak in. Both of them are pretty shiny when finished. The SC1 being a little bit shinier and slicker. And when you feel it to the touch, it's a little bit, feels dry and not as wet or sticky. It sat on for about 30 minutes and dried. You can see the SC1 is just a little bit shinier than the tire shine. And you can see it's soaked in more. Whereas some of the tire shine is just sitting on the plastic. So this is going to be our test. Remember, we got the Armor All Extreme tire shine on the right, and we have SC1 over here on the left. And we'll just do like a quick close-up before we do a test. You see the Armor All is pretty much soaked in. It took a little bit longer than the SC1, but they're both soaked in. It's been about an hour, I guess. SC1, it feels almost dry, but it's still shiny. The Armor All, it still feels a little wet, a little bit kind of sticky almost. But they're still, both make the plastic shiny. With the SC1 making it a little bit more shinier and making the blacks a little bit more black. And this is going to be our test. We'll get more mud. Alright, so here's our test. Oh. So you can see how the SC1 gets it to bead up. The tire shine kind of, it's a little bit sticking to it almost. You see that's just rolling off. We'll spray some water on it and see what happens. So we're going to pretty much spray this off now. You can see the SC1 just kind of rolls off almost. And even after it's done, it still has a shine to it, unlike the tire shine side. The water's still beating up because it's a hydrophobic chemical. This is a close-up of it. Tire shine side. The SC1 side. Even if you want to, you can throw some stuff on there still. You can just see how much slides off of both of them. but the tire shine side still sticks a little bit more than the SC1. Even if you want to still try a little bit more, it just slides off with the SC1. Tire shine. I'll take this and even throw it on the other side. Well, not right there, but you see. We'll spray it off again, just for demonstration. You see how much easier it comes off with the SC1? Overall, the SC1 still has a better shine ability, and for mud to not stick, it just slides off compared to the tire shine. I mean, both are better than having nothing on it, but if you were trying to pick between the two, SC1 would be your better choice. Even for just water. That's what that looks like with the tire shine. You see how some of the water sticks to it? Doesn't really go anywhere. If I spray the top, you can see it just rolling off. And I even flipped the plastics and put the tire shine side on the top, and the water still kind of sticks to it, whereas you can see it rolling off with the SC1 side. It rolls off some, but not nearly as much if you were to do the bottom with the SC1. You see it's just rolling. This rolls a little bit, but not quite as much.